Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Niall Amari from Best RV in Turlock, California. Today we're presenting you the brand new 25 Kodiak 2900 front kitchen. It's amazing, a trailer. It's a front kitchen travel trailers with the two slide out, but you have a nice, a beautiful patio system in the back. You could hang around in the back, have a cup of coffee, lounge chairs, tables, and enjoy the seating outside. So this is a typical Kodiak travel trailers. They always give us the most fancy things. So it has a nice power awning with LED, a smooth fiberglass aluminum frame, and it has the styrofoam installation, TV outside, bracket with hookup, aluminum rims. So these one also come with 4 electric stabilizer jack, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and they are electric, nothing manual. So 2 electric stabilizer jack in the back, 2 electric stabilizer jack in the front. It has outside fridge included with it, come with it. As you see, it's brand new. It's a 2900 front kitchen. SPS means front kitchen double slide with a patio system in the back. It has LED laminated stabilizer jack with a storage in the front with a solar panel. So as you see in from the top, this unit, if you look at it that way, you will see it has 2 ACs, big power awning, all power. So that means stabilizer jack in the back and the front all power. Electric trunk jack in the front, as you see here. We have a nice electric trunk jack, 2 propane tanks, automotive front window with the front piece fiberglass with LED light and diamond plate in the front. You see from this side we have endless hot water heater, tankless endless hot water heater, and 2 slide outs. So this is the sofa dinette. So we have a theater seating and the dinette on that big slide out with the slide toppers. This is all my hookup, 50 amp service with the aluminum rim. This is the bedroom slide out with as usual a storage, half of it storage from inside, half storage from outside with the nice compartments. And we have a slide toppers. And over here we have a beautiful, um, a patio system. It's amazing. Is to close this patio system is very easy, and I'll demonstrate this one for you. Let me show you how you close this patio system. First, you unfold these pins and you fold them down. And that's it. It has 2 shock over here, one on this side and one on the other side with very handle. And now my patio is closed, is away from my parking. And again, you don't have to open it. I mean, if you go to a campground and they give you small, tiny spots, you don't have to open that patio system. But it's really amazing if you go park next to the oceans or the rivers or the mountains and you bring it down. It's so easy. I mean, there's nothing. You take this pin off, the safety lock, another safety lock, and there's a handle here. It has, and you just push it down. It has already cable. You're not scared. It's not gonna come on you and hurt you. And you raise this side up a little bit this way, and then this side, voila. And then you put the safety lock this side. And then you take the other lock and you put it in. Voila, that's it. There's nothing to it. You don't need a lot of weight. Very easy. Voila, it's done. And then you have a nice, beautiful patio outside. You could open it when you need it. If you don't want to open it, you don't have to. Let's go show you the inside, the 2900 FKSP Kodiak. So as you see, when you walk in, you're facing a beautiful, nice dinette and big L-shaped kitchen. I mean, look how amazing the counter space. I mean, it's huge. I don't know what are you gonna put here in both, and it has a beautiful one-piece sink with a high-rise faucet. Imagine, guys, you're camping and you have a nice, a beautiful view in the front. Unfortunately, you're seeing RVs now, but imagine this is in the forest and a beautiful, amazing counter space, storage, and a beautiful view with the shade. So you can make it very bright. I mean, look the amount of the cabinet in the top and the shelving, and then the amount of silver tinsel doors. And then there's a plug here, a plug over there, and then there's a nice prep area with another tinsel doors, place for your trash can. I mean, you could put all kind of cooking pans here. And then you have a nice 3-burner range, bigger oven, microwave, light with the hood. And then we have the typical 10.7 12-volt reefer. And by the way, 2 AC and come with solar. So it has the solar, 10.7 cubic refrigerators, a storage underneath it, another cooking pan doors. And from that kitchen, you could walk to the nice, beautiful dinette with the nice marble look of the dinette table. Again, doors, look how deep, I could go more. So, and you could access it from the top as well, the side. And then when you walk in, if you need a place to hang your coats, if it's a rainy day, hanging coats. And then I love this beautiful 2-theater seating with the middle consoles, cup holders on the right, cup holders to the left. I could sit, relax, kick my feet up, watch the game, nice fireplace, soundbar, GPL, and this 40-inch smart TV. It's a Bluetooth and AFM radio as well TV. And then if you want to install your combo washer dryer, I could remove these shelves. These are shelf removable, and I could install here a combo washer dryers. If you don't want to have combo washer dryers, you want to have more pantry, box, hidden storage, it's right there. So you have a huge pantry here, and you have the beautiful L-shaped kitchen right there. So I don't know what you need more storage than that. Plus, you have the AC in the living area and an AC in the bedroom. As well, you have a rain sensor, fantastic fan where suck all the heat and the smell if you can run of 12 volts. Isn't it beautiful? Amazing. It's house on wheels. Now, when I open, this is what I want you to see, because this is the standard floor plan. A lot of manufacturers, they make this floor plan. 27 foot with the front kitchen and 2 slides. But the Kodiak, they did it right because they give you beyond any manufacturer. And this is the secret. Voila. I'm walking in, I have a beautiful master suite king size bed. Imagine, guys, I am laying down here and I wake up in the morning and a beach next to me. And I could see the beach, the sands, the rivers, the nature, and bring all these lights in. And if I grab my cup of coffee in the morning, let me open it, hold on. I could walk outside. Voila. I am enjoying my patio, I'm enjoying my balcony, I enjoy the nature, I enjoy the view, you name it. And again, if you don't have a space to open that patio or opening that balcony, you don't have to. It could be closed and save you easy 6 feet. But it's amazing you have a master suite where you could walk in from your bedroom to a balcony. On a trailers, not in the house. It's normal in the house, but on the trailers, you walk from your king size bed to a balcony. Show me a manufacturer make this one. Show me. It's amazing. And then you have a lot of closets. You see here, there's storage above the bed. Again, as we mentioned to you outside, half the bed is the storage from inside, and half the bed is huge. Look how many blankets and pillow you're gonna put here. Half the storage is inside and half the storage outside. And you have a beautiful fireplace. It's so cozy. You lay down, enjoy the view. You have a big view right there. You have your own AC. You could put a second TV right there in that corner over the window. I don't know what to ask more than that. You need to come and buy this trailers, because this trailers is house and wheels with balcony. And then from there, you have a big closets, big storage, doors, more storage. Fireplace, place for shoes. And from there, I have typical Kodiak bathroom, LED lighting, mirrors, medicine cabinet, place for towels, nice sink, more storage, more storage. Unbelievable. Nice porcelain toilet, no issue with the knees. Big shower, tall, with the fan. And take all the smoke from your shower, and a glass shower door. Privacy. Come to Best RV and look at the beautiful Kodiak 2900 front kitchen FKSP with a balcony. Coming in.